Claude AI SEO. 0 to 200 clicks a day. Okay, so one of my websites went from 2 clicks a day to over 200 clicks a day. Another one went from basically nothing to 76 clicks a day, and I did it without guessing at keywords, without subscribing to Ahrefs or SEMrush, without logging into WordPress to publish anything. Claude did the work. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact system. The Goldie Demand Engine, how it works, why it works, and how you can set it up yourself. Let's go. So here's the thing most people do wrong with SEO. They open up a keyword tool, they sort by search volume, they pick something that looks good, they write an article, then they wait. And nothing happens because they're going after keywords that every other website is also going after. With more authority, more backlinks, more age on them, the moment you compete for the same keywords as everyone else, you've already lost. Here's what we do instead. We look at what's already working on our own websites. We find keywords we're already half ranking for, and we either re-optimize the pages we have, or we create new content targeting the same cluster. Claude reads our Google Search Console data directly. It spots those opportunities automatically. No guessing, no spreadsheets, no manual analysis. We just run the agent and it tells us what to do next. Because Claude doesn't just find the keywords, it sorts them by intent. Informational, commercial, transactional. For each one, it tells you, do you need a new page or can you re-optimize what you already have? That distinction matters a lot. Re-optimizing an existing page that already has some authority is almost always faster than building a brand new one from scratch. And once you have your keyword, you plug it into the system. Here's how I do it for the AI Profit Boardroom. Say Claude identifies that there's a keyword cluster around AI automation for business owners, where we're sitting at position 14 with decent impressions, but barely any clicks. That's a page crying out to be re-optimized. I drop that keyword into the Agent OS. I pull in a relevant case study we've already created, like a member result or a walkthrough of one of our AI automation workflows. That becomes the added value layer, the thing that makes our content different from every generic article out there. Hit generate, 5 articles. All unique, all deployed to different websites. 5 separate chances to rank for the same keyword. Done. No WordPress login, no copy-paste, just Claude, running the pipeline. Now, if you want to do this for your own business and you want the actual system already built with the keyword agent, the SEO pipeline, the Agent OS all preloaded and ready to install, we've packaged all of that up inside the AI Profit Boardroom. You get the full Agent OS as a zip file. Install it in minutes. The keyword research agent is already inside it. The content pipeline is already inside it. And we've got SEO coaches on our weekly calls who can walk you through your specific setup, your website, your keywords, your niche. If you want to use Claude AI for SEO the way I'm showing you here, and you want a 30-day roadmap specifically built around ranking your site with Claude and the Agent OS, then go to the link in the comments and description, or head straight to AIProfitBoardroom.com. And if you want a one-on-one free SEO strategy session where we look at your actual website, find the keyword opportunities you're missing, and build you a custom plan to rank on Google and AI search engines, go to go.juliangoldie.com/strategy-session, or check the link in the comments and description. We'll sit with you, look at your real data, and tell you exactly what we do. That link is free. Takes 2 minutes to book. Okay, back to the system. So you've got your keyword, you've added your case study or first-person experience layer. You click generate. What happens next is the part most people don't expect. The agent doesn't just write one article. It writes 5, each one targeting the same keyword from a different angle. Each one deployed to a different website in your portfolio. Why does that matter? Because you can rank in multiple places for the same search. I showed you an example where we're ranking in 2 different positions for the same keyword across 2 different websites. More surface area, more chances to intercept the traffic. And the content that gets created isn't generic. It has the case study baked in. It has first-person context. That's what makes it pass the quality bar in 2026. Because Google and AI search engines are much better now at detecting whether something actually has original insight in it or not. Generic content is dying. Content built on real data, real experience, real results. That's what ranks now. Here's the other thing this system does that nobody else is doing. Every Monday, the agent runs automatically. It checks the Search Console data, finds the new opportunities, queues up the next batch of articles. The Agent OS picks them up and deploys them. And by the time I wake up, new content is live on my sites. That's not a manual workflow anymore. It's a machine. The old way was open Ahrefs, spend 2 hours pulling keywords, write a brief, find a writer, wait a week, log into WordPress, publish, wait 3 months to see if it worked. The new way is the agent finds the keyword, creates the content from real data, and deploys it while you sleep. Now, let's talk about the keyword research piece in a bit more detail, because this is where most people are still working with bad data. Tools like Ahrefs and SEMrush show you estimated search volumes across the whole internet. Those estimates are often way off, and more importantly, they show everyone the same data. So when you target a keyword based on Ahrefs volume, you're targeting the same keyword as the 10,000 other people who opened Ahrefs that day and sorted by the same metric. Google's Search Console shows you real data, your actual impressions, your actual positions, your actual clicks. And when Claude reads that data and finds your opportunities, those opportunities are unique to you. Nobody else has your GSC data. Nobody else can copy your exact roadmap. That asymmetry is the whole game. And now that you can connect GSC directly to Claude via MCP, without needing to build custom scripts or write any code, the barrier to getting this set up is almost gone. You connect the account, you give Claude access, and you run the agent. Let me give you a concrete example of what this looks like for growing the AI profit boardroom. The Agent OS identifies that we have a cluster of content about AI agents for business owners. We're ranking on page 2 for a few queries. Claude flags those as re-optimization opportunities. The page is already indexed, Google already knows it exists. We just need to sharpen the angle and update the content. Claude drafts the re-optimized version. It pulls in a real member story from the community. It updates the title tag and meta description based on what the search intent actually is. The SEO pipeline pushes it back live. 2 weeks later, the page moves from position 14 to position 6. That's not a lucky break. That's what happens when you're working from real data with a system that doesn't get tired or distracted. And here's the thing about the Kanban board setup inside Agent OS. Each agent has a specific job. The Hermes SEO writer creates and writes the content. The link builder handles internal linking. The keyword profile agent generates the research. And they all run inside one dashboard, the Agent OS Mission Control. You can see what each agent has done, what it's working on, where it stored the file, what got deployed. No switching between tools. No checking 5 different dashboards. One place. This is what modern SEO actually looks like in 2026. Agents doing the execution work while you focus on strategy and direction. And look, the reason this matters so much right now is the window. AI overviews have already started eating into organic click-through rates for certain queries. Informational traffic is being intercepted. The websites that are going to win over the next 12 months are the ones building volume, authority, and relevance right now, before that window closes further. Every week you're not running a system like this, someone else in your space is. The setup process is genuinely straightforward. If you want the full Agent OS, the keyword agent, the SEO pipeline, the Kanban board, the shared memory, all of it pre-built and ready to install as a zip file, that's inside the AI Profit Boardroom. Inside there, right now, we've got 3,400 business owners running AI automation workflows. Every week, we run 4 live coaching calls, including SEO-specific sessions, where we walk through the Agent OS setup, troubleshoot live, and build out your keyword roadmap with you. We've got daily tutorials showing you exactly how to use these SEO automations as they evolve. There's a prompt library packed with Claude SEO prompts. And there's a member map, so you can find and connect with other business owners near you who are running the same system. If you want to use the exact Claude AI SEO system that took these websites from 0 to 200 clicks a day, go to the link in the comments and description, or head to aiprofitboardroom.com. The zip file is in there, ready to install. And if you want us to build you a custom SEO plan for your specific website, one where we actually look at your Search Console data, identify your keyword gaps, and tell you exactly how to rank faster with Claude, go grab a free SEO strategy session. Link is in the comments and description, or go to go.juliangoldie.com/strategy-session. We'll put together a full SEO domination plan for your site, walk you through our best link building strategies, answer your questions live, and show you exactly how to use AI search to outrank your competitors. That session costs you nothing. Link is right below this video. Thanks for watching.